Baselight 300 is a comfortable and lightweight headlamp for professionals who want a flexible and easy-to-use headlamp for occasional use. It provides a light output of 300 lumen and has a night vision mode with red light. Baselight 300 is water resistant, dust protected, and is made of recycled material. It features hybrid technology, meaning it's compatible with standard AAA batteries, but also the rechargeable Silva Hybrid Battery. The wide headband is stretchable and provides a comfortable fit, and has smooth buckles for easy adjustment. Baselight has a light output of 300 lumen and features Silva Intelligent Light that combines a long-reach spotlight with a close floodlight. The lamp is tiltable 90 degrees. It has two LEDs that operate together to create optimal light for different conditions. It has a large power button that is easy to operate with one hand even when wearing gloves. The lamp has two light modes. A short press of the power button starts it in max mode. This is good for long-range work. Short press again for min mode, that is good for close-range work. You can toggle between the light modes with short presses. Turn off with a long press. When switching the lamp off, you see a small LED that indicates the battery status in green or red. It also has a red light mode that is accessed by a long press of the power button from off mode. The red light preserves your night vision. Turn off with a long press. The lamp has a lock function to prevent it from starting by accident. Hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blinking LED turns constant red. The red light mode will also light up briefly, but keep holding until the small LED stops blinking. Now it can't be started. To unlock, simply hold the button until the flashing red LED turns constant green. Now the lamp can be operated as usual. Baselight features hybrid technology, meaning it's compatible with standard AAA batteries, but also the rechargeable Silva Hybrid Battery, a compact battery with USB-C charging and battery charge indicator. The lamp is dust protected, water resistant, and meets the IP55 standard, which means you can be out in bad conditions without the risk of damaging the gear. Here on the back side you find a QR code which gives quick access to the product information. This makes it easier to pass it along to a new user and increase the lifetime of the product. So if you need a comfortable and lightweight, dust-protected and water-resistant headlamp with a lot of flexibility and multiple battery options, a professional lamp for professional conditions, Baselight is the lamp for you. Silva Pro offers a wide range of durable, smart and trustworthy equipment you can rely on in any project at any location.